not long ago, I was trying to solve a problem which I personally faced. Like the mornings felt heavy, and it was feeling very dull. And while sleeping, you're not able to sleep. When I talked to people, they said that there are tablets for it, and you can actually use them. But when I went to my grandmother, she said that not everything is supposed to be done and solved using tablets. So here I am, Gunamrita Kode, trying to uh, shift from tablets to back to roots. That is the natural and Ayurvedic substances. So Prana Stack is basically is trying to build a habit, a ritual system, which would introduce you to routines that would solve problems for you. For now, I have introduced AM reset and PM reset. AM reset would be focusing on metabolism and deload powder. It basically would have ajwain, jeera, and fennel that would help you in metabolism, hormonal reset, and acidity regulation. All of these.
Yeah.
So all of these, as you heard, they are our own. They are our ingredients that are there in our own kitchen, but people don't use them, utilize them properly. So in a PM routine, we'll have the nutmeg and the powder, and then ashwagandha. All of it that helps you sleep properly and regulately. So here is the site
Yes.
basically.
You can.
Yeah.
Please pass the time.
So this is Prana Stack. Your
Yeah,
mornings
please. You can. Yeah.
are unclear, your nights are restless, your energy runs on borrowed fixes. And
Correct.
here I am not normalizing supplements, but trying to reset the body. Here is my morning AM reset and PM reset. For now, I'm focusing on the first products, and eventually, when these work out, I'm going to focus other problems and find solutions from our own roots. Because before there were no supplements and no tablets. Before, people used to work out, and they knew what ingredient would work on what body part and how it would regulate, and that's where I want to get in. So talking about competitors now, that all of these are getting very famous, like a morning shot and everything. There is a good bug that they are giving a 30 pack, but that is liquid. Now my solution is powder that gives you a greater shelf life. So my first step is going to be that in my Pures itself, as now let me tell you, this is what I follow personally and it really works. So that's why I really want to go into the market and tell people that this is what is future, and this is what that will sustain. Tablets and everything does not sustain. So for starters, I am going to what I am using, I am going to provide my peers that they should also use, and there will be a pilot study, like are there any changes in their body and all of it, which would obviously work out. And as you have mentioned that first get the real customers and then start production. So that's the plan. I will light the site, and then when the customers come in, then initially I'll only it's basically these products, and then you roast it and then powder it and then give it.
Perfect.
So initially I am planning to do it on myself itself with my help of my mother, and she's very supportive. So that's the plan, and then when we'll be getting customers and orders, then I'll scale it.
Brilliant. What's the name that you have given? Prana?
Prana Stack.
Prana Stack.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So
Do a registration trademark immediately.
yes.
That itself would be valued a few crores.
I
Remember the
really-
words when you get the few crores back.
I really see the future in it.
Good, absolutely. It's a
Yeah.
wonderful brand name, Prana's Stack. It gives a very clear picture to someone. Okay, if I have Prana's Stack, I'm stacked up for the life.
And I think psychologically itself, if you start with a proper routine, that psychologically helps you start your day. Like
Right.
I have put in my body and then I'm all set for the day.
Brilliant.
That's what I'm working on.
Fantastic. So, what's the first year numbers in terms of customers, volumes, value?
So initially, though, I'm trying to do a pilot study, and then I am targeting like 300 customers, 250 to 300 customers per month. This would be live on website and Instagram. All of that, the marketing would be done, and then the customers would increase year on year. Is what is estimated.
Okay,
And
have you
so-
done the number exercise, number crunching?
Yes. So as I mentioned. So as I mentioned, the AM reset would be given in a jar that would serve for a month. That would be given for 499, and the PM would be given for 499. If you take both of them, that would be for 1000. So that's
Okay.
That's
So
a jar.
just do one thing.
Yeah.
Make this 699.
Okay.
Make this 699.
Mhm.
So this will become 1400 rupees, right?
Yeah.
And then make it 999. So people will buy this as a logical choice.
Okay.
है ना? People will think that they are smart. Let the customer think that they are smart, right?
Because
You want them to win.
In 499 also I have a margin, so I was thinking that okay.
Yeah.
that
So
makes sense, okay.
you want to sell this fundamentally. The idea
Yes.
is you want to show two choices
Mhm.
and sell one. In Starbucks, when you go, what happens? They will say a regular, then a tall, and then
A premium.
everything is same.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Yes.
सब सेम है.
मूवी थिएटर में पॉपकॉर्न में भी वैसे ही
हाँ. तो वो सब they just want you to make you feel okay you are winning. Okay?
Yes.
Great job. Fantastic. So you have done a good website. This is on Lovable. Very
Yes,
nice.
it's on
Move
Lovable.
fast. You have registered your domain name, everything.
Domain name is not done.
Why?
yet, so-
Domain name register करा लो. फटाफट करा लो.
Yes, sir.
Because domain name is something that will go for a long time with you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good, fantastic. You have submitted your form.
Yes.
Congratulations. Great.